Siyempre, vegetables.
Yes!
Ginataang labong with malunggay and saluyot. At saka meron siyang shrimp, hipon. 2 piraso. Additional, fat din siya, diba? Fat. Healthy fat because of coconut milk. Additional fat from the animal. Binunggadang sabaw with kamuti leaves, kamuti tops, malunggay, and pechay.
Losin mo yan!
Protein ko, fried tuloy, sardines, tamban, baka yung bala kung tawag nyo dyan. Fried, syempre, in coconut oil. The healthiest frying oil in the whole wide.
Ang galing mo talaga, bright ka!
2 million cups of rice. And still pa rin as usual, walang pagbabago, same old situation. I don't drink water. I hate water. Hindi ako uminom ng tubig after kumain.